The Range Rover Velar is now even more desirable, sustainable, and intelligent with the introduction of an electric plug-in hybrid option, advanced new infotainment technology and elegant new design features. The mid-size luxury SUV, which sits between the Range Rover Evoque and Range Rover Sport in the family lineup, offers customers the perfect balance of design and technology, now with electric power. The new 2.0-liter four-cylinder P400e plug-in hybrid offers a smooth and refined drive, producing a combined 404 PS and 640 Nm of torque from its 300 PS petrol engine and 105 kW electric motor, with an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.4 seconds. A 17.1 Wh lithium-ion battery, located under the boot floor, can be charged to 80% or in just 30 minutes using a fast DC charge point, or 1 hour 40 minutes using a standard 7 kW wallbox. With zero tailpipe emissions in electric mode, an impressive real-world all-electric range of 33 miles, 53 kilometers, fuel economy of up to 130.2 mpg, 2.2 liters/100 km, and CO2 emissions from just 49 g/km, the Range Rover Velar is now even more sustainable by design. A new family of 3.0-liter straight 6 Ingenium engines is also introduced to the Range Rover Velar for the first time. The latest generation of smooth and efficient petrol and diesel engines are available with 48-volt mild hybrid electric vehicle, MHEV, technology for reduced fuel consumption and heightened refinement. The new straight 6 engines, developed in-house, are available as D300, 300 PS diesel, and P400, 400 PS, petrol all-wheel drive variants, each fitted with air suspension as standard for signature Range Rover comfort.